Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com from Rancho Bernardo, California. We're sponsored by Halco Lighting, where they strive to be your first choice as a technology partner. Today's celebrity shout out goes to Marshall Miles, the CEO of Inventronics, who has announced his retirement. Of all the CEOs that I've interviewed, I probably interviewed Marshall the most because I've always enjoyed his insights and take on the industry. He's always been spot on. And Marshall, I am going to come see you at your ranch sometime. Here are the stories making news. At the NALMCO 71st Convention, I interviewed President Randy Allen to discuss his impactful term, highlighting achievements in certification programs, financial recovery, and succession planning for future leadership. Full interview is at edisonreport.com. Canada Light Expo 2024, taking place 13 through 15 November in Toronto, will showcase LED innovations and smart lighting solutions. Registration details are available also at edisonreport.com. Acuity Brands launches Nightingale, a new brand offering patient-centric lighting solutions to enhance comfort and wellness in healthcare facilities. MaxLite launches EasyRF, a simple wireless lighting control system for small to medium projects, offering easy installation and powerful control without the complexity of advanced systems. Casambi introduces the Salvador Series 2000, enabling seamless integration of wired dolly drivers and wireless networks for simplified unified control via the Casambi app. I first saw the Dolly 1000 at Light & Building earlier this year. And yesterday the Dow was up 337 points, NASDAQ up 51, and LSI gained 22 cents. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.